These are nice. I make these look perfect. I'll have these.
Can I help you find anything?
No, I'm doing just fine, thanks.
Great, I'll be in the back. Let me know if anything catches your eye.
Oh, I will. Aren't you a beauty? Maybe I'll wait till she comes back to steal you. This is just too easy.
Oh, Selena! What a lovely purse. Are you going to buy it?
Something like that.
It's totally you. In fact, it makes you look like my great-grandmother. She used to be a beauty queen, you know. 70 years ago.
Whew, that was close. I can't believe I almost stole an old lady purse.
Oh, I love you. You're such a statement bag, you naughty little thing. Does this... Well, no. What?
And now you're mine, you beauty. The bargains here are shocking. And now for my statement bag.
This bag is simply divine. I've never seen its equal. I certainly wouldn't pair it with such tacky faux fur, though. Hideous.
Oh!